What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here I have a pair of brand new Nike Air Jordan 1 mids. This is the red shadow colorway. It's like a shadow mid except it's got a red Wings logo up here, a red Jordan logo up there, and outside of that it's pretty much a shadow mid. All in all, I think it's a great colorway. Very classic. I know a lot of the resellers around the Ontario area were buying these up like crazy. They did come out quite a while ago now, but I thought I'd do a video on them because I think they're quite nice. All these mids coming out these days, it's a little alarming to me as a sneaker investor. But hey, apparently Jordans are popular, so I shouldn't be too alarmed. I'm gonna open these up here, throw them on foot. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I'm not sure if I already mentioned this, but if you want a pair of these for yourself, you can check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You can find a pair of these for yourself on StockX. All in all, I think it's a great shoe. It's pretty simple mid. The mids performed very well in 2021. I'm hoping they continue to perform that way in 2022, 2023. But you never know with the market. You never know if supply and demand will hold. You really can't judge it very well nowadays. I'm gonna have to loosen this up a little bit more. It's a brand new mid. It's quite tight. Wow. Finally got that on foot. Mids are pretty comfortable, I have to say so. I know on this channel I've talked some crap about mids, saying mids are not as good as highs, but honestly, I'm starting to like these mids a lot nowadays. They look great. The highs are not performing as an asset class, so I gotta throw some love to the mids. Finally got both of these mids on foot. I mean, on foot they're pretty fire. Like, I can't really say anything negative. It's a great little colorway. What do you think of them? You really can't go wrong with a gray and black shoe with a tiny bit of red on it. If you're looking at this denim and you think it's quite nice, there's also an Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description for similar denim. This is a pair of nudie jeans. I I personally think they look quite fire. I'm going to show you how they look with some tech fleece on. Hopefully you like that. Now I'm going to throw these back on right here with some tech fleece joggers. This is not just any pair of tech fleece. It's actually made out of recycled material. You can see a lot of different colors in the Nike font. You can also see a lot of different colors close. If you look closely in the weave of the jogger themselves, it does say Nike down the side of the jogger right there. If you don't know what to wear with sneakers, joggers are always a good bet. You can find nice joggers on Amazon. There'll be an affiliate marketing link in the description. I'm sure you can also find some nice joggers on StockX. I might throw one of those links in the description as well. I mean, yeah, this is a mid, Air Jordan 1 mid. A lot of people like these mids nowadays. A lot of people make memes about mids because they're not as good as highs. I personally am starting to like the way mids look. You won't really catch me wearing mids too often, if ever. First of all, I don't really wear Jordans very often. You'll almost always catch me wearing a Presto for some reason. I just find them more comfortable. They also look great. I think this is a great pair of sneakers. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me just show you the sneaker up close before you leave here. This is the Jordan 1 Mid Red Shadow. Materials wise, it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to say it again. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Great looking shoe if you ask me. Great colorway. Why not get one for yourself? Goodbye.